Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is Saturday, June 27th, 2020. I'm in a serious mood. This is the most important video I'm ever going to do. And you're like, "Whoa, you got your game face on." I was just doing the dishes and I'm like, "I got to make this video tonight." Please do not have an emotional response to this video. But if you trust me, if you know me, I'm going to put this video in the link below. 2-3 days ago, where's it at? Where's it at? I did a video about a trading group that I joined. That was only yesterday. Well, I think I joined like Wednesday. So I'm going to let you know the trading group that I joined. And I don't want to give a ton of information because you could find this gentleman on Twitter. But I know what I don't want to be doing. In the future, I don't want to be taking his material and giving everybody little teasers like, hey, DigiBuy, hey, XRP, you may want to get some Electroneum, right? But this gentleman has oh gosh, I don't know where to start. I've listened to like 12 hours of his videos. And I was going to wait and maybe do a video early to mid over the 4th of July weekend and announce what I'm doing. But some of the coins / projects that he's talking about, I hate to say it, you kind of need to get in now. And if you're already in them, then you're fine. Okay? If you like those projects, you're going to love this guy. Okay? So I found him. So he has like 10 or 15 years experience in Forex trading, successful. And again, I don't know his whole story, but part of his story is he had a interest in cryptocurrency. So he took his skill set. This is him on Twitter. JAYCHIEW 88. He's in Sydney, Australia. So he took his skill set from Forex trading, chart analysis, yada, 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 and moved it into crypto, right? And he just started his channel like 3 weeks ago. And every Saturday, like today, he's got a 2-hour analysis on, like today he did Stellar XLM. Last week was XRP, his favorite. Next Saturday, whatever date that is, July the 3rd or something, he's going to do DigiByte. And it's $59 a month. No, I'm not getting paid. But check this guy out on Twitter. Is it Chew? I'm not sure. But he has, he has in his trading group, which is only like 20 or 30, and these aren't day trades, okay? It's buy this, and in 3 months, it's going to do this. Then it's going to, retrace a little bit. Then we're going to buy back in and boom, bada boom, bada boom. So I'm just going to say it. You guys know that I love Zinfin, right? The XDCE token. So once you're a member, you could give him a project and he'll do your personal analysis of a project. And I bought in at the pre-ICO in like 2017, Zinfin, the XDCE token, and I'm not telling you to buy it. None of this is financial advice. So I was on my phone and I sent him a WhatsApp, whatever. And I'm like, hey, could you do a quick analysis or overview of the XDCE token? And he came back like 10 minutes later. He's like, oh, that's a good one. He's like, now there's a million that I can't recommend, but he's like, that's a good one. And I'm like, whoa, okay. I'm like, well, could you like seriously work on it and then post it on your website? And he's going to. But he gave me, I'm not even going to tell you. But I bought in at like 3 zeros or 4 zeros for. Anyhow, I'm going to stop writing notes. I believe in this guy. The price that he gave me in the next run up, which he thinks we've got about, and this is public information, it's on his website. We've got about 18 months before the run up and then 3 or 4 years of, and I'm too old to wait for the next, I missed out on the last dip. I didn't know what I was doing. My portfolio, part of my story, my portfolio went from, it's just about 15x'd. And I didn't know what I was doing. And then I saw it all go back down. I'm like, I got to learn about this. That's what motivated me to do the YouTube channel. I'm well positioned now, but Jay is unbelievable. Again, there's no referral link. And he told me that he was a longtime subscriber on YouTube. I'm like, dude, you better get a life rather than following me on YouTube. That's for sure. But anyhow, again, he takes his Forex experience, turns it into crypto, and on his Twitter it says positions serious investors for 1,000x return. And this is a professional, okay? There's some people in the trading group that have 6 figures, like over $100,000 invested. Jay is not some Yahoo YouTube guy doing charting that has $50 in the game, okay? Again, I'll put his website below. It's cryptomarketstructure.com. cryptomarketstructure.com. I'll spell it CryptoMarketStructure. Crypto Market Structure. Only $59 a month. I'm not going to do this, but if money is super, super tight, join for a couple of months. Pick his brain. Again, I'm not doing that. He gives strategy every Saturday on a different project and he updates them. Again, XRP was last Saturday. What did I say was today? Stellar. And he's going to Digibyte and then Zilliqa. This dude, Jay, is unbelievable. Anyhow, it's your decision, but some of these are getting ready for the next, I don't want to say cycle, but if you're serious, which I am, I talk about my grandkids all the time, you got to give this guy a shot. You got to join for a month or two and see what he's like. Okay, that sounds like financial advice. Not financial advice. If you were wondering of a guy you could follow that is a big hitter, and he still does Forex, okay? It's not like he only does crypto. So this is a man that has experience, a wealth of knowledge, puts his money where his mouth is, and he's a teacher. He's got the heart of a teacher. He's not talking at you in the videos. He's talking to you. So every Saturday, everybody jumps on. I wasn't on this morning. I had a doctor's appointment. But again, I'm going to be real low key about it. It's your decision. It's your $59 a month. Again, there's no goofy referral fees. I'd give him a shot till the end of the year, at least a month or 2 or 3, but that's up to you. But what I don't want to be doing, because I don't think it's fair to Jay, is, do little videos about, what he's talking about and then watering it down for YouTube consumption, because that's not fair to him. It's not fair for the people that, pay $59 a month. That may be hard for some of you to hear. I don't mind throwing a bone out every now and then, but yeah, I've been super, super, super impressed. So he's going to do a more detailed analysis on XDCE and Litecoin, just for this guy, for being a subscriber. Now, I'm not going to give him a different project every day or once a week, but I'm like, hey, there's not that many people in the group. Maybe you're being bombarded by people, and on his website, this is, I guess, after you join. He says, select each coin of interest for their market structure and performance. He's got 31 projects, but he's only working with a handful of them because this is what he is a sweet spot. And on one of the videos, get a load of this. On what I should have said this at the beginning of the video, he has 1% of the supply of XRP. Let me say that again. He has 1% of the supply for XRP. Figure that out, okay? See how much he's worth just with XRP. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor at 99. We've got Stratus. We've got Verge. We've got NEM. I didn't even know what some of these are. Dash, VeChain, Maker, Dragon Chain, Link, XLM, I said that, Bitcoin Cash, IOTA, OMG, Paching. Anyhow, that's all I'm saying. I'm excited. So the time is now. Prices are going up. It's probably going to dip into the fourth with Bitcoin, but we're going up for a year and a half, okay? Some people say 2 years. I'm going with what Jay said. I've got an 18-month window, and this guy is OUT. Anyhow, or mostly OUT. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. Sorry, it's over 12 minutes. Love ya. Take a look at this, but give Jay a shot if you're interested in making some serious returns. One of the reasons I wanted to join, I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired and, buying high and selling low and hodl this, but this guy has strategies. You got to figure out what works for you and your family. But for me and my house, Jay's on the team, baby. Love y'all. Bye-bye.